What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D back again with another one. What I got here for y'all today is a custom bubble gold plated CZ stone. You know what I mean? Bubble pendant by Gold Presidents. Yeah, you heard me. Gold Presidents. I had this piece for a while. It was a gift from my little one, you know what I mean? So forgive me. It's the first time I'm presented. You know what I mean? Comment, like, subscribe. First, wait. Let me shout out my Alpha Generals, Generalettes, Alpha male and Alpha females in the building. You heard. Now, without further ado, you know what I mean? Let's get to the video. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D, and I'm back with another one. Okay, so now, like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today is a custom name bubble pendant by Gold Presidents. You feel me? Now, a couple disclaimers before we open the box. If you see any grease stains or finger stains, I've had this for about a year, but it's not mine. I bought this name bubble pendant for my daughter. It's been about a year because I got it around her last birthday in July, and it's approaching July. So, well, it's not really approaching July, but you know what I'm saying? I had this for a while. She wore it about a good maybe 10 times, maybe a little bit less, only because I can't find proper chains that don't bother her, because she likes jewelry, but she doesn't like when the chain bothers her neck. So I've been trying to find small rope chains and things of that nature. It came with a chain, I will say that, and I can't find that chain right now, but it was I believe it was a rope chain, but it was super duper long. It was about 20 inches, and imagine 20 inches on a 2-year-old or a 3-year-old. It's basically them big chains that the rappers wear down to their stomachs. And I found one chain, and I don't know what happened to that chain. It was like a 16-inch or 12-inch that she had with this pendant, and yeah, she only wears it from time to time because she's pretty much a baby or a little toddler that we can't expect them to take care of everything. You feel me? But I will say, you know, before I get into anything else, let's get to the presentation before I start rambling on. You feel me? So this is Gold President's gold bubble pendant. You see their packaging? Nice gold logo. You feel me? I'm saying, sorry if you see any stains. Like I said, we've had this for a while. She just hasn't worn it too many times. Comes with a nice dust pouch. Like I said, it did come with a free chain. That is a good thing that I wanted to add by Gold Presidents. Good looking. It did come with a free chain. They give you an option of 18 or 20, I believe, to choose from. Now let's get into the piece. You see the pouch? It's not the traditional pouch like everybody else got. You know what I'm saying? You open it like this. You squeeze the side and bow. You know what I mean? That's not bad. It's different. Y'all know I'm a fan of different. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the boxes. Y'all see the logos all over the place. And we love that. You feel me? Gold Presidents. Good looking. Now let's get to the piece. Bam. Nope. Bam. There you go. It's 18 karat gold plated. I would love to tell y'all the materials, but at the time that I bought it, even now when I looked at it, they don't list what material metal, but they do say 18 karat gold plated with CZ stones. You feel me? My daughter's name is Mia, if you haven't caught on by now, and I bought this for her on her birthday. Y'all tell me if y'all like it. Y'all tell me if y'all don't like it. But this is the piece. The quality of the stones, I'm not gonna lie, man. No stone has fallen out, and she's done dropped this thing. She's done probably put it in her mouth. I don't know, but she's done a little bit of everything in it, and if you ask me, it's still in great condition considering who the piece was for. Now, you might see some scratches. Haven't cleaned it in a while, you know what I mean? But outside of the smudges and the scratches, like I said, she's had this since last, like late June, early July. Sorry, I'm always talking fast. And I'm sure she's dropped it. I'm sure she sweated in it. I'm sure she's done the most in it when she was wearing it. As you can see, they got the Gold President's logo. You know what I'm saying? Please forgive the scratches. But it was wear and tear over time. And when you give anything to any kind of child, 8 years old, 10 years old, or even a little bit older, they don't tend to take care of this stuff very well. But that's why I don't let her wear it often. Now, what I do like about this thing, you see this big bell? It could fit, I mean, I wouldn't say a 19 millimeter, but it can fit up to a 5 millimeter, 7 millimeter, maybe almost up to an 8. You know what I mean? I had this for a while. I've been wanting to, I have a extenuous collection of jewelry I haven't presented to you guys yet, and that might be, you know, a fault of mine, but, you know, I'm sorry, guys. It's just I like to try to buy more to upkeep with the new to present to you guys. So I apologize, but don't worry. More jewelry will be coming your way. But her name is Mia. For when you go to the site for gold presidents or gold prez, however y'all consider them, you go under custom now. At the time that I did custom, they only had maybe about 3 or 4 options. Now they got about 10 options for 10 different kind of custom products. You know what I'm saying? This one is the gold bubble letter. You know what I mean? And when you click on the gold bubble letter, you know what I'm saying? It starts off at $59, and the more letters you pick, I think if it goes past 2, the prices go up. This is only 3. And at the time, I could have sworn I paid about $109. It was probably like $95, and after everything, it was $109. But if you go right now to Gold Presidents and you go for their gold bubble letter pendant custom, they're cheaper, man. You know what I'm saying? I think it might have started off at $79 when I bought it and ended up at $109 when I bought it, and now they starting off at $59. And the more letters you add on, the more it goes up. For 3 letters specifically, just because that's what I have, I think when you go there now, it's $84 or $85. And then once you pick your shipping, it goes a little bit higher than that. Y'all let me know if y'all think it's worth it. But I'm telling you right now, outside of the smudges, you don't see no tarnish, no you know what I'm saying, you don't see the plating smudged off anywhere. I mean, maybe you can't see it that well in the camera, but I'm letting y'all know you don't really see no tarnish anywhere outside of the smudges or the scratches due to my 3-year-old daughter, at 2 at the time, having it. You feel me? And outside of that, you know what I mean, they also have it in white gold. You feel me? They have this option in white gold. You know what I'm saying? And just judging off the yellow gold, this thing is dope. I like it. Y'all tell me what y'all think of this, man. Y'all already know, plastic be the ops. It came in a little plastic baggie, a little Ziploc mini baggie, y'all know. It didn't come with too much plastic on it, you know what I mean? But the presentation is dope. Like I said, if y'all go right now, and they have coupon codes going right now, so I'm sure y'all will spend a lot cheaper than I did at the time when I bought this. They got coupon codes going on. They got a lot of more options for their custom options. You know what I'm saying? Go check them out, man. Go presidents, man. Go prez. However y'all like to presentate them, man. They got nice packaging, dust bags, boxes. Their collection is forever growing because they got hecka, you know what I'm saying, mad different options than they had when I first started shopping with them. You know what I mean? Mia pendant. Y'all tell me if y'all like this thing, man. Y'all tell me if y'all will go cop this. I mean, this is a custom, so obviously y'all won't cop a Mia. But y'all tell me, based off what y'all see, if y'all like this, man. You know what I mean? Gold presidents, man. Good looking. I like this thing, man. 1, 2, 3. I'm out. This is the shine test for Gold President's Bubble Pendant. This is the diamond test for Gold Presidents. We all know that they're CZs, so you might see it jump up, but like I said, for entertainment purposes, these are CZs, and we know they're not gonna hit. Okay, officially. 1, 2, 3. I'm out.